Hey guys, it's Blade Friday, and today we're going to take a look at a knife that's brand new. The brand is brand new to me, and this is Perwin. And I could not find a model number for this knife. So if you guys are interested in trying to find this, here's the information that's on the tag on the back of the box. So let's take a look at this Perwin knife. So this Perwin blade has a flipper on it, and it's non-assisted. We also have dual thumb studs. So we have a black stonewash drop point blade, and that is forged from D2 steel, and the blade has a flat grind on it. We have the D2 markings here, and then the Perwin name on this side. This is a liner lock, and it is a single-sided liner. We have OD green G10 scales. The pocket clip is reversible, tip-up carry only, no lanyard hole. Feels like a well-made knife for a company that I've never heard of. So let's get some numbers on that. So blade length, sharpened edge, looks like we're about 3 and maybe 7/16 inches long. Overall blade length right at 3.5 inches. The handle length, we're right at 4 and 5/8 inches, with an overall length looks like about maybe 8 and about 1/16 of an inch long. So let's get a weight. Doesn't feel like it weighs much at all. A little bit heavier than I thought, 4.1 ounces. So that pretty much covers it. Just a real quick look at the Perwin knife, which I could not find a model number for. Seems like a decent blade for what it is, for what it cost. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.